guys, today we are playing some more golf. And subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. So when I was playing offline, I unlocked this bar, and now it looks badass. Dope. Ooh. In 3. Whoa, that was a good shot by that guy. Whoa. I got some good players, which means I'm probably gonna lose. No, no. Oh. Okay, yes. First and second we're sharing. Last map. Oh shit. This is bad. I'm losing. Whoa. Oh. I think we're second. Oh, we're first. I did not accept. Woo. Nice. I have so much less money. Last time I had like 8 or 3,000. Now I have 150. That's real bad, right? Slowly. Even more slowly. Oh shit. Go like this much. Hey, what? Oh yes. Starting off really low. Actually, last place. Oh my god. Well, I'm going to get a DNF, like literally. Why? I lost. That's great. Slowly. Nice. And of course, I overshoot it. And then I undershoot it. We're in 4th place. Alas. Why am I so bad at this game? I really want to delete it, but I can't. We got a crab here. Nice. Now do crabs play golf? Crab golf. New trend. Crab golf. Boop. Bow no. Go yellow. That is way off the angle. We're gonna go. Oh! Almost made that. Starting off in last place. Great. Yeah. If we hit here. Oh no. I'm so bad. I'm gonna go no yellow, yes. Great. That is I'm literally gonna cry now. Minchan. Okay. Okay. Do not go to. Nice. And two. And three. And two. Three. And then five and five. Okay. We can get a. Oh, no! Too slow! No! That was a perfect shot though. This guy suck. Like really. Okay. I'm gonna go slowly. And slowly. And then in the hole. Info please. Alessandro. Yes. I'm in first place. Ooh, I won. 200. Please let me win this time too. It would be great though. And oh shit. Go yellow? Ooh. Starting I'm in second last place. Okay. That might even put me in such a noob. Whoa. Nah. Still got 110. Take it though. Still take it. Okay, I'm going to concentrate now. Like literally, I need to. Oh, great. In three. Let's go. Oh! 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 No, dude. How is that so hard? How is that so hard? I lost badly there. How that's so slow? Great things happen in life. Not Rose, you got something in Chinese. I don't know how to read Chinese. But you're in the shout out to not no. Okay, no. Beep! Oh no. This is bad. No, no, stop it! Boom. This is. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Okay, okay, please, please stop. No! I'm so bad at this game. If you like this game, no shoutouts. Whoa! Oh, wait. Whoa! Oh my god. Really? In 15. Which means I'm still in last place, right? So just to impress now. Oh my god. Oh, we have 90 left. And if I don't win this, I have 0 left. Okay, we're gonna go. That's right. Slowly does it. Don't go hyper. No, not full. In 7, okay. Guess that's nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. Carolina. Ooh, new level. Ooh, I see that. What did I do? No, that's unmakeable. Okay. Wait, why? No, 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 no. This is not happening. It's just a bad dream. I don't want to play. Like literally. This is just like a bad dream. We'll go yellow here. Cause I know it. Ooh, hold on 3. Actually, that's pretty good. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this episode for you. Till then, bye.